Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, P084C and P084D pertain to the transmission fluid pressure switch B circuit, indicating issues with either low or high pressure readings. These DTCs are relevant for the 2017 to 2023 Honda Accord models. The transmission fluid pressure switch is crucial for monitoring hydraulic pressure within the automatic transmission, impacting shifting performance and overall vehicle responsiveness. When these codes are thrown, it suggests a malfunction in the switch, circuit, or potentially the transmission control module, TCM. Proper diagnosis is crucial as this can affect vehicle drivability and reliability. We will explore the definition, potential causes, symptoms, and a detailed step-by-step troubleshooting guide for these fault codes. DTC P084C indicates a low circuit condition in the transmission fluid pressure switch B, while DTC P084D indicates a high circuit condition. The transmission fluid pressure switch is located inside the transmission, playing a critical role in measuring hydraulic pressure. This sensor's data is vital as it helps the transmission control module, TCM, make informed decisions for shifting gears seamlessly, ensuring optimal performance of the vehicle. A faulty switch may result in improper shifting, leading to potential drivability issues. It is essential to assess the entire circuit, including connections and the TCM, when these codes are triggered, as each component relies on the others for proper functioning. This detailed diagnosis is necessary to eliminate potential issues effectively. The potential causes for DTC P084C or P084D can include a faulty transmission fluid pressure switch. This component can fail either with an open circuit or short circuit, leading to inaccurate pressure readings. Wiring issues in the circuit can also be a significant factor, as damaged or frayed wires may cause signal loss or interference. Poor connections at terminals can lead to intermittent failures, causing the system to be operational one moment and not the next. Additionally, the TCM itself could also be malfunctioning, resulting in erroneous signals sent to or from the pressure switch. An intermittent fault may complicate diagnosis, as it may not always trigger the same alert. Ensuring all wiring and connections are intact is essential for correct diagnosis. When encountering either DTC P084C or P084D, several symptoms may manifest in the vehicle's operation. Drivers may notice transmission performance issues, where the vehicle may hesitate during gear changes or experience consistent shifting problems. Additionally, the dashboard warning lights may illuminate, indicating a need for immediate attention. Unresponsive gear changes can also occur, where the vehicle may not shift into the desired gear due to incorrect readings from the pressure switch. It's important not to ignore these symptoms, as they can lead to more severe transmission issues if not addressed promptly. Recognizing these signs early can aid in a timely and efficient diagnosis, maintaining the vehicle's performance. To begin troubleshooting DTC P084C and P084D, the first step involves raising the vehicle on a lift. Ensure that it is securely supported to permit safe access to the underside of the vehicle. Having all four wheels rotate freely is critical for verifying the transmission's operation under load during testing. Once elevated, turn the vehicle ignition to the on mode, enabling power to the vehicle systems without starting the engine. Then, use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear any existing DTCs. This step is vital as it resets the vehicle's error codes for fresh testing and allows for observing if the issue reoccurs after performing subsequent checks. Always take precautionary measures to ensure safety during this process. After clearing the DTCs, the next step is to start the engine. Once the engine is running, it's crucial to disable the Vehicle Stability Assist (VSA) to ensure the transmission operates without interference. Then, you should shift the vehicle from first gear to second gear, allowing the system to engage and prepare for further diagnostics. Gradually decelerate and come to a stop while using the brake pedal, which helps to properly test the transmission's response during normal operation. Lastly, shift the transmission into the reverse, R, position/mode, to check if the DTCs reappear. This entire process allows the technician to closely observe any error messages appearing on the HDS, confirming whether the previous issues persist or if new error codes arise. Upon confirming the presence of DTC P084C or P084D, the next troubleshooting step involves verifying the failure. It is advisable to check for any authorized service information related to these DTCs for further insights into possible fixes. An effective method for isolating the root cause is substituting the faulty TCM with a known good unit. This helps to determine if the issue is related to the original TCM or potentially other connected components. Once the substitution is complete, recheck for errors using the HDS. If the DTC clears with the replacement TCM, the original unit is likely malfunctioning and should be replaced. If issues persist, further investigation into the wiring and connections should be performed. If there are no confirmed DTCs but intermittent failures are suspected, it is essential to check for poor connections and loose terminals between the transmission fluid pressure switch and the TCM. Poor connectivity can lead to unreliable readings, causing the DTCs to appear sporadically. Inspecting the wiring harness and ensuring all connectors are securely attached will provide crucial insights into potential problems. If freeze data or an onboard snapshot of the DTC has been recorded, using this information can help reproduce the conditions under which the error occurred. Attempt to replicate the failure under the same circumstances, as this process is vital to determining if the problem is intermittent or consistent, ultimately guiding further diagnostic actions. After completing the diagnostic and repair procedure, it's crucial to confirm that everything is operating as intended. A thorough test drive of the vehicle should be conducted to verify normal transmission operations. It's essential to run diagnostic tests again using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to ensure that all DTCs have been cleared and that no new codes appear. Monitoring for recurring DTCs is vital as it ensures all issues have been resolved. Finally, documenting the repair outcome will provide valuable insights for future reference, helping you maintain a history of repairs and any recurring issues that may assist in upcoming diagnostics. To prevent reoccurrence of DTCs P084C and P084D, implementing a regimen of preventive maintenance is critical. Regularly checking transmission fluid levels and conditions not only helps in ensuring proper hydraulic operation, but also provides early indicators of potential issues. Thorough inspections of the wiring and connections specifically linked to the transmission fluid pressure switch and TCM can uncover unnoticed wear and possible damage. It's also advisable to keep up to date with any periodic updates to the TCM from Honda, as these updates can resolve any software bugs that may be causing false codes or improper function. Finally, conducting routine diagnostic reviews on the vehicle will help catch and address issues before they escalate into larger problems. In conclusion, understanding the error codes P084C and P084D is essential for effective diagnostics and hassle-free vehicle operation. Following the detailed troubleshooting steps outlined can help identify the root causes of these DTCs, whether they stem from the transmission fluid pressure switch, wiring, or the TCM itself. Implementing preventive maintenance routines will significantly reduce the likelihood of facing these issues in the future. By continuously monitoring your vehicle's performance, you can ensure that the Honda Accord remains reliable and efficient. Proper knowledge, maintenance, and diagnostics are crucial components in preserving the longevity and functionality of your vehicle's transmission system. Always refer to authorized service documentation for any specific information regarding repairs and maintenance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.